award is the Carl Maxey Award. I'm Pat Manners of the Rivera Law Firm, and it warms my heart to be able to award the Carl Maxey this year, in a year where I feel the voice of ignorance is particularly unrestrained. The Carl Maxey is awarded to lawyers in our community who demonstrate a sustained commitment to diversity, and I emphasize sustained, because the award winner this year started his cause, his efforts to this cause, his commitment before he even went to law school. And he's only 3 years out of law school. While earning his bachelor's degree in international studies and his master's in international peace and conflict resolution, he worked in the poorest neighborhoods in Zambia, educating people about HIV and AIDS. He wrote weekly reports for the UN High Commissioner for Refugees. He traveled to Ecuador to support local leaders in their fight for political and cultural rights. He worked on behalf of political prisoners for the Human Rights Watch. And then he went to law school. And while he was in law school earning his JD, he clerked for the Inter-American Court of Human Rights in Costa Rica, where he, as a law student, helped write a reparations judgment in a case involving violations of international human rights. And he worked on a case involving state-sanctioned forced disappearance of children. He wrote briefs on behalf of clients who were tortured and wrongfully convicted in Nicaragua and Mexico. He externed and volunteered for the ACLU. He advocated for farm workers as the Laurel Rubin Farm Worker Justice Fellow. And throughout his 3 years of law school, he volunteered for El Centro de Laza legal clinic. And now, for the past 3 years, while building a busy practice at the Tamaki law firm, he still finds time to talk to middle and high school students in Yakima and the Tri-Cities, encouraging them to go to college, go to law school, and make a positive difference in your communities. Recently, he ran a workshop for LGBT teens at the first Central Washington Gay, Lesbian, and Straight Education Network Conference, and he ran his own workshop where he taught them about their rights in their schools. If you're driving through, you can hear him sometimes on KDNA radio speaking Spanish and talking about legal issues that are particularly of interest to the Latina community. And last year, during the election cycle, he got out at the rally and urged people to get out to vote. Last year, for the first time in Yakima's history, they elected 3 Latinos to the city council. And so this young man, Sergio Garcidueñas-Sease, if you will come join me, we honor you. Way back here. We honor you, Sergio. This is what it says, for your unwavering commitment to diversity in the legal profession and to your dedication to equality and justice for the underrepresented and disadvantaged communities both in and out of the courtroom.
Wow. First of all, I want to thank my mom. I want to thank Tamaki Law for believing in me and for hiring me, and just letting me be passionate and to pursue my ambitions and my dreams. I feel very honored and blessed to be a part of Tamaki Law, to be a part of this organization, to be a part of Yakima Valley. And I am so blessed to advocate and to be an attorney fighting for the marginalized, fighting for the voiceless. And so I can't thank everyone here enough. So thank you.